Well, we're here in Melbourne today and we've come to Jayco Manufacturing and we're here with Anthony Divers. He's going to take us on a factory tour. So let's go, Bruce.
Sounds fun to me.
Okay. So we have, on this line we'll produce our silver lines, which we can see in production on this side, and we have our all-terrain product over that side as well.
Okay.
So from here, so to this section here we have the, starts off here with the chassis. So they've all been produced here, the chassis have all been assembled here, they've been sent off to galvanising, they've come back and now they're coming over here for the floor to be adhered to the top of the chassis. Before it starts its journey, proceeding through cabinetry, all the way to the end, and then as it makes its way along the line, each stage is appropriately gated, quality control is applied, and as you can see, it rolls out the door over there before we head off to water testing.
It's quite the production line.
Absolutely.
We have been here many years ago. How many square footage of buildings do you have now, Anthony?
Well, the total site here is 50 acres.
Wow.
Just here.
Just here.
And so that will include everything from our lamination department, our sawmill, which cuts all of our cabinetry, all of our doors, and of course then we have our service department, and we have our quality control area, our water testing facilities all here. So yeah,
wow.
Everything's very controlled.
So there's basically, when we were here last, I think there was 4 sheds. How many sheds are there?
4 buildings.
So we have seven buildings on site.
7
here.
now, so it's double.
And in addition to that, we also have a motorhome facility off-site, which handles all our motorised product, including camper vans as well. We also have our chassis production facility as well here, just around the corner.
So this is solely your caravan and
towable product.
Towable products. Wow.
Here is the walls. They've come through the lamination press, they've been glued, and now they're about to be routed. So in here we've done all of our cabinetry. So you'll see it's one of the largest sawmills around. And so again, this follows exactly the same format as with caravan line 1. Start at one end, it's very much a modular process. Each van's put together in each cell before it moves on to the next step in the process.
These are the testing bays where they water test and check out every single vehicle before it leaves the factory.
That's correct. Before every van makes its way to a customer, it goes through our water testing process, where the van's hit from every angle with water for a period of time to determine the water.
That's completely sealed and watertight.
This is the dispatch yard. So as you can see, very light purpose. You get the back together, loaded. and as you can imagine, a hive of activity, especially early in the morning as well.
That was another great video from NZToday RV Travel Lifestyle magazine. Subscribe and follow our channel for more great videos. Follow us on Facebook. Thanks for your support.